Sweet the hours in native country, where friendly shines the sun above. Light is the breeze that sweeps the meadow, tranquil is death, was tender love. Warm kisses on the lips are playing, as we awake to mother's face. The arms are seeking to embrace her, the eyes are smiling as they gaze. How sweet to die for the native country, where friendly shines the sun above. That is the breeze for him who has no country, no mother, and no love. The song of Maria Clara means Maria Clara's adoration for her nation is extraordinary to the point that it's you everything else that she sees. It is this adoration that makes everything else, regardless of how commonplace and customary, more delightful than even the most excellent thunder somewhere else.